Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Finance and Living India. Today I'll explain all that you need to know about life insurance, including mistakes to avoid and recommended life insurers. If you like my channel, please click the subscribe button right below and turn on the bell icon so you can get notified when I upload more videos. Let's start with why you need a life insurance. Let's take an example of Arun, age 25, who is working and has two dependents, his wife and child, and is earning Rs 50,000 per month. His monthly expenses, including his kids' education, is Rs 40,000 per month. In case of an unfortunate event, when Arun is no more, his income stops. How will his wife and child meet their living expenses? They might have savings, but it may not be enough to sustain their lives. This is where life insurance comes in. Let's assume that Arun had a life insurance policy of 1 crore at the time of his demise. His family would receive 1 crore. This will help them take care of education and living expenses with lesser stress on finance. Life will never be the same for Arun's family, but at least they wouldn't have to worry about money needed for their life. Who needs life insurance? If you're earning and you have dependents, you need it. Else you don't. How much insurance do you need? The general rule of thumb is 10 to 20 times your annual income. The younger you are, the more cover you'll need. End of the day, you will need to decide how much money is needed to sustain your family in your absence. They have to pay for events like marriage and education of your children. Until what age should you take life insurance cover? You will need insurance only till the age you have planned to work and earn. We'll discuss these terms one by one. So the insurance cover amount is the amount your family gets in your absence. This is the amount chosen by you. Insurance term is the time or say years till which you will have a valid policy. So in 2020, if you take a life insurance for a term of 30 years, your policy is valid till 2050. Premium amount is the amount you have to pay. You can choose to pay monthly or yearly. Nominee, again should be chosen by you, is the person who will receive the amount in your absence. You can also choose to split the amount to multiple nominees. If say one of your nominee is a minor, they'll need a guardian. The amount your nominee gets could be either a one-shot lump sum or you can have yearly payments for a fixed number of years. You can choose a mix where a certain amount will be given as lump sum and the remaining as yearly payments. That's up to you. Claim is the event of your nominee asking the insurance company for the insured money. A common mistake is not telling anyone about the policy they've taken. Then there's no point. You need to let your family know the policy details. Let's take an example. 30-year-old Arun takes an insurance policy of 1 crore for a term of 20 years. He pays a premium of 8,000 every year till he is 50. If he passes away before 50, his nominee can file a claim and receive 1 crore. If he lives beyond 50, he and his family are very happy that he is alive and well. They will receive no money here. But Arun had peace of mind for 20 years that in case something were to happen to him, his family will be financially secure. Now I'll try to address some of the common questions many of us have. The premium is basically determined or calculated by few factors. This is the amount you will be paying to the company. Based on your age, if you're older, the more premium you'll have to pay. The more number of years you want the policy for, the more you will be shelling out. Smoking habits, health history will be taken into account while calculating. Never ever lie in your application. Another doubt people have is what if the company refuses to pay? The insurance law in India is customer friendly. Insurance companies cannot deny your claim as long as you did not lie while taking the policy. Do you want your family to get lump sum amount or installment payouts? Here you need to know about your nominee. If he or she can manage the money, go for lump sum. If you feel they will gamble away the money, go for monthly or yearly payments. So, people who are working in companies might already be covered with a life insurance. Check it out and find out exactly how much it is. If it's enough, you don't need an external one. Please note you can take how many ever life insurances you want and claim all of them. But while applying, you need to mention the policies you already hold. Some of you have asked whether taking a life insurance is gambling on your life. Answer is definitely no. If you use it the right way, as I said before, it's a way of protecting your family from income loss. But if you take insurance that you don't need, like for more than the number of years you will be working, it is a gamble. You can call it a gamble if you're taking it for a non-earning family member or a child. Is insurance an investment? Be very clear, it's not. In fact, if you live long enough, you will get nothing, and that's fine. That's what you and your family want. Now that you know it's not an investment, here are some commonly sold products to avoid. Number 1 is ULIP. Never take a ULIP. Banks benefit from it, not you. The returns are low and hard for you to find out because they have packaged it as 2-in-1. Also, don't take premium return plans. In this plan, you will be paying a higher premium, which they will return if you outlive the policy. I will show you a quick calculation why it's not worth it. Look at this example. The return of premium plan costs more than a normal plan. If you put that extra premium you're paying in the return plan, say in a simple FD or RD, you will make more than what they give back. So a normal plan is always better for you. ULIPs are similar, but the calculation is more complex. If you're interested, we'll talk about this in another video. Never combine insurance with investment. Please understand this clearly, otherwise banks will end up fooling you without you even realizing. They'll make you believe you put an awesome combo plan. Hopefully, after watching this video, you'll be smarter than them. What are the good life insurance companies? I've handpicked top 5 companies based on their claim settlement ratio. They are Tata AIA, HDFC Life, LIC, ICICI, and Max Life. Many believe LIC is the best. There are other insurers as well which cost way lesser than LIC but have equally good claim settlement ratios. Please comment down below what would you like me to discuss next. Also, I'll be uploading at least 2 videos every week. So if you've come so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.